Hi everybody, this is Zakir and I welcome you all in this complete web development course. In this video, we'll learn basics about web development. Here we'll see what exactly web is, what is web development, who is a web developer and types of web development. So let's get started with an introduction to web. Web is the common name for the World Wide Web. Web is a subset of the internet consisting of the pages that can be accessed by a web browser, and web browser uses the internet to access the web. The World Wide Web was originally designed in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. Web pages are formulated in HTML language, hypertext markup language. HTML language allows users to click through pages on the web via links. The web uses HTTP Hypertext Transfer Protocol to transmit data and share information over the internet. Browsers like Chrome, Firefox are used to access web documents or web pages which are connected via links. So this is what web is in brief. Now let's discuss about what web development exactly is. Web development is the building and maintenance of websites for the internet. Web development can range from developing a simple static page of plain text to complex web applications. It's the work that happens behind the scenes to make a website look great and work fast. There are three types of web development: front-end web development, back-end web development, and full-stack web development. Front-end web development is also known as client-side web development. It's a procedure of designing the user interface of the website with front-end technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Front-end of the website allows users to read the web content. Back-end web development. Back-end is also known as server-side web development. The responsibilities of back-end developers are writing code and building the logical part of the entire website. It mainly focuses on back-end logic, database, servers, and APIs. In a web project, the logical part relies on the backend. PHP, Java, SQL, Python are the languages used in backend development. Full-stack web development. Full-stack web development means development of front-end and back-end. A web developer is a programmer or coder who can create websites. Almost all organizations hire web developers to create a website for their business. And according to Indeed.com, 7 lakh rupees is an average salary of a full-stack web developer in India. So it's also a good career option. Web developers work independently as freelancers or with company teams to create websites. Depending on the job, web developers may focus on front-end development, which involves designing sites and producing content, or back-end development, which involves writing code to make website features work. At the end, let's take a short look at the summary of this lecture. So we have started this lecture with the simple definition of web, which is a subset of the internet consisting of the pages that can be accessed by web browser. Web development is the building and maintenance of websites. It can range from developing a simple static page of plain text to complex web applications. There are three types of web development: front-end web development, back-end web development, and full-stack web development. Front-end web development is the procedure of designing the user interface of the website. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the languages used for front-end. Back-end web development mainly focuses on back-end logic, database, servers, and APIs. PHP, Java, Python are the languages used in back-end development. Full-stack web development is the development of front-end and back-end. Web developer is someone who can create websites by writing code. Web developers work as freelancers or with any organization to create websites. And according to Indeed.com, 7 lakh rupees is an average salary of a full-stack web developer. So it's also a better career option.